Hi folks, Jesse Ivy back with you again today, and today we are going to talk about how you, not the guy across the street, not your next door neighbor, you can buy land with bad credit. So that's what we're going to talk about today. How can you buy land with bad credit? Well, believe it or not, at one time I had terrible credit. I had really bad credit. I went through a divorce and I think my credit rating was down around 400 and something. And it was really bad, but I, eventually turned my credit around, and that's great and everything. But during that time, I mean, no bank would come near me, and that's a lot of people's problems. You want to, I don't know anybody that doesn't want to own some of this nice land. They want to buy some land and they want to find out how, but a lot of times you're stopped because your credit's bad. You went through some financial hardships, maybe you got laid off, maybe you went through a divorce like I did, and then you were just turned around and your credit is really bad, and maybe it still is bad and you're still working on it. You've had some medical bills, you've went to the doctors, you were in the hospital, maybe your parents got sick and you had to help them out, or your kid got in trouble or whatever. But you have a lot of financial problems, and then your credit has taken a beating because of it. Well, the quickest way, if you're somebody that is still interested in buying land, even though you have bad credit, don't let that discourage you, because there's lots and lots of ways you can buy land. But the easiest way to buy land, if you are someone who wants to own land and you have bad credit, or you can't get credit, or you're somebody who's never bought anything before and you have no credit, is to try owner financing. And the simplest way you can do that, you can go to our website. You can go to www.ownerfinancedland.com. You can see it in our description below. You can go there. But there's lots of, if you don't like any of our land, you can go elsewhere. If it was me and I wanted to buy some land, go to places that offer owner financing. What will owner financing do for you? Owner financing basically is the owner or a company saying, hey, you know what? We're going to give you some credit so you can buy some land, and we're not going to run any credit checks on your credit. We know you have bad credit. It doesn't matter, because, we finance most people. The interest rate might be a little bit higher, than normal. Right now it's around 6%, 5%, 6%. It might be 8, 10, or whatever up there, but at least you'll be able to own some land that way. And so a lot of people buy land this way by using owner financing. And if it was me and I was somebody wanting to buy land, like I said, I'd either go to our website, or I'd even go to landwatch.com or landsofamerica.com. They have so much land on those websites. And a lot of there's people selling it for cash, yeah, but there's also people selling it for owner financing. And owner financing, again, just means the seller is going to give you some credit. He's going to give you some credit, and he doesn't care about your credit rating and all that good stuff. He just wants to sell his land, and you basically sign a contract and promise to make the payments. It's really that simple. And then when you get done with your payments, the seller gets the deed recorded in the county you bought. Let's say you bought a 10-acre parcel and you bought it in Oregon, okay? And what happens is you put your money down, you make your payments for 5 years, you pay it off, and then before long, it's all paid off, and basically the seller, who's the company or the individual, they get the deed recorded for you in the county. Let's say you bought it in Lynn County, Oregon. They get the deed recorded for you in Lynn County, Oregon, and they basically just mail you the deed. Now, there are a few other things you got to think about. Like, for example, you want to make sure you do your due diligence, do your homework, make sure your property's not landlocked or whatever. If you're not sure how to do that, you can always contact a realtor or somebody like that. You can even send us an email and ask questions about what's the best way to do that. But this video isn't about that. We expect you to do your due diligence on properties and stuff like that, just like any seller would and any buyer should, because you want to do your due diligence to make sure the property's right for you. But this video is about how to get financing if you have bad credit and you want to own land. And I mean, there's land all over the place. Wyoming, Texas, Arizona, California, Colorado. I've seen owner financing on all over the place. Tennessee. You just got to get on the web and start looking around, and then look for owner finance land. And like I said before, don't be afraid to approach people about this. Another thing you could even do if you thought about it would be, if you see a piece of land, you've noticed it's been for sale for a while, the owner has been trying to sell it, and you notice, you could always approach the realtor or the owner of the land and go, hey, would you ever be interested in doing some owner financing? I got like $500 here I'd like to put down on that property, and I'll just start making monthly payments. But that's the thing too, you got to realize too, you at least have to have $100 to put down on a piece of land. That is required. I would say that's probably the bare minimum. A lot of people charge more. Our company doesn't charge too much on down payments, usually pretty reasonable, but some companies I've seen, they charge more. Some charge about the same as us. But if it was me, that's what I would do, especially if I wanted to own a piece of land. I wanted to do it this year. I would definitely not be afraid to approach somebody and say, hey, would you ever consider doing some owner financing? All they can say is no. And if they do say no, then just go to LandWatch or landsofamerica.com. Check out some land there. Go to our website, ownerfinanceland.com. Check out our stuff. And there's lots of other companies out there that sell land too. So don't be defeated. Don't act like, oh, I'll never own land. I can never buy anything because of my credit, or because I got behind on my bills, or whatever, or because I don't have enough money in the bank. No, that's not true. You can get financing if you just play your cards right and do your homework and check things out. There's lots of companies that will offer you owner financing for your down payment, and they won't do credit checks, and we're one of them, and there's a lot of other ones too. But anyway, don't be discouraged. If you're really wanting to buy some land, that would be what I would do. I would get on the horn. I'd get out there, look around, make some phone calls, and then also just get on the web and look at the websites I gave you, and check to see if they have some properties that you might be interested in. And then you just send an email and go from there, and who knows what could happen. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is Jesse. I'm here in cold Bend, Oregon today, but it'll be warming up tomorrow. But anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and we'll be back again very soon with another video for you to watch. And this is Jesse signing off from the Owner Terms Land Network.